An elderly gentleman residing in the vicinity of Mannheim unfortunately lost nearly euros from his bank account in December 2024. He clicked on the link of an email from his bank, or so he thought. The web page he arrived at appeared convincingly authentic, yet it was fraudulent. The ARD provided coverage on this particular incident. The scenes presented here were dramatized for effect. Oh, online banking fraud. Are you contemplating now? That could absolutely never occur to me. However, would you genuinely believe it yourself? Otherwise, you would not have clicked on this video, correct? The classic online banking fraud has become much more sophisticated today due to AI. The fraudsters use artificial intelligence to deceive you so perfectly that even bank employees only realize what has happened too late. Today, I am going to demonstrate the 3 most perilous AI-supported scams that have already cost numerous Germans their life savings. I will show you exactly how these schemes work and, most importantly, how to protect yourself from them. But the protection only works if you know all 3 methods. Therefore, remain attentive until the conclusion and let us begin. The statistics are alarming. Every year, billions of dollars in damages happen in this nation alone due to cybercrime. And of course, fraud in online banking is also included. The most concerning aspect is that in this particular field of cybercrime, perpetrators are progressively utilizing advanced AI technologies. The initial and most perilous scam operates through the use of deepfake voices during telephone calls. Imagine receiving a telephone call from your banking institution. The voice on the line sounds precisely like your actual bank advisor. She elaborates on potentially suspicious financial transactions and requests that you input your TAN. What you are unaware of is that it is an AI-generated voice, cloned from just a few seconds of her audio recording. Documented cases consistently show the worrying scale of these fraud schemes. For example, a person living near Stuttgart got a call. His bank's number showed up on the display. The voice on the telephone indicated that there had been suspicious activity related to his online banking account. There had been multiple attempts to withdraw funds from overseas, and it was therefore strongly recommended to block the account. He was advised to approve the process only through his authentication app, which he did. Unknowingly, he provided the scammers with full and unrestricted access to his account, which they completely emptied out. The gentleman unfortunately lost his money due to this. This particular scam is referred to as voice phishing. Before we get into how you can protect yourself from such things, here are 2 or 3 more cases as a warning. During the springtime of the year 2025, a couple residing in Ammerland unfortunately experienced a financial loss. The wife received a notification urging her to update the push-TAN registration for their shared bank account. She was under the impression that the request was sent via an email from their banking institution. However, the hyperlink embedded within this email directed her to a fraudulent website, where she diligently input her personal information. Regrettably, the couple never recovered their funds, as the higher regional court of Oldenburg adjudicated it as gross negligence. Due to the fact that such judicial decisions are not uncommon, I am cautioning you in this video against being excessively trusting or careless. Even though this particular case involved a traditional phishing attack, these fraudulent banking websites are appearing increasingly genuine due to advancements in AI technology. Certainly, as always, you have the opportunity to verify all the figures and references yourself in the video description provided below, but that was merely the beginning. What I am about to reveal to you is even more insidious and impacts every smartphone user, at least if they engage in online banking activities. The second scam operates through fake banking apps or websites that are optimized with AI. The scammers transmit a message to you through SMS or WhatsApp, indicating an immediate security update is required. The link directs you to an application that not only resembles your authentic banking app, but is also meticulously trained on your behavioral patterns. By the way, you can also train YouTube's video recommendations for you by simply pressing the like button. Thank you. These applications utilize artificial intelligence to thoroughly analyze your touch interaction patterns, replicate your input timings, and even simulate your usual transaction durations. Even the sophisticated security algorithms employed by banks do not instantly recognize the manipulation. The yearly financial damage caused by both traditional phishing and AI-supported fraudulent activities is consistently on the rise. Nowadays, classic psychological methods are often combined with AI support, such as fake websites, deepfake calls, and the like. Here's another example. A lady from Cologne received a text message on her phone stating that her Sparkassen app needed an update. Through a hyperlink contained within the message, she proceeded to download the application and subsequently logged into it. It was only a few days later that she came to the realization that all of her money had vanished. The counterfeit application had transmitted her input to the fraudsters instantaneously. Following that is the third and most recent scam, which even astonishes well-trained bank personnel. This uses AI for hyper-personalized phishing that is so precise, even bank employees can fall for it. You receive an email from your bank mentioning your name, account number, and even your last 3 transactions. The email is so well crafted that even bank employees initially thought it was genuine. The AI has analyzed all your posts on social networks, studied your friends, and even extracted your purchasing habits from other apps. But now comes the question, how can you protect yourself from these scams? Here are 5 crucial golden rules that have been demonstrated to be effective in 95% of all scenarios. A legitimate financial institution will never ask for your TANs over the phone. No bank anywhere in the world functions in that way, no matter how urgent it might appear. Ensure that you exclusively install banking applications from the official app marketplaces, such as Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. It is crucial to avoid downloading them through links provided in SMS messages or emails. Activate all available security features like push-tan, fingerprint, or Face ID. The greater the number of security layers, the more secure you will be. For any phone call that claims to be from your bank, it is advisable to hang up and call back using the official number found on your bank card. Even the number displayed on your phone can potentially be spoofed. Exercise caution with emails that impose urgent time constraints upon you. Banks consistently provide you with ample time to carefully consider and respond. Additionally, always enable 2-factor authentication for your online banking. With most banks, this is now standard. This implies that you are required to not only input your password but also an additional, unique one-time code. This makes it approximately 99% more challenging for fraudsters to gain access to your account. Regularly examine your account statements, not just once per month, but on a weekly basis. The sooner you identify any unauthorized transactions, the higher your chances of recovering your funds. Online banking is already very secure today if you know the right precautions to take. The AI technology is continuously advancing, but with the appropriate knowledge, you are consistently one step ahead of those fraudsters. What fraudulent scheme surprised you the most? Share it in the comments. If you are interested in gaining more knowledge about artificial intelligence and its security aspects, you should definitely watch this video immediately afterward. And if you found the video enjoyable, I would sincerely appreciate it if you could give it a like. Thank you very much. I will see you next time, and until then, please take good care of your account.